दही बड़ा खाने का मन है। वाह क्या स्वाद!
असली स्वाद तो MDH दही बड़ा रायता मसाले से ही आता है।
Political debate now, ladies and gentlemen. We know that abhi to Parliament mein the debate is going on. I welcome first Pattabhi Kam Kumar Reddy, TDP national spokesperson, JDU leader Satyaprakash Mishra, Gaurav Bhatia of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I welcome Anurag Badoria of the Samajwadi Party, Piyush Joshi, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. And there he is with the full scarf and all now. Now he's the national spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party. Oh, very nice, Piyush. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary of the Congress Party and Niladri Bhattacharya backs the Trinamool Congress. Good debate, very nice. Okay, shall we cut? 2 minute kate? Shall we go live to Parliament? Okay, let's go live to Parliament for exactly 30 seconds and we are coming back.
दिया ये सत्य साई बाबा ट्रस्ट के माध्यम से. Again, this trust comes under the control of again state. So we should try to understand there is a difference between Waqf board, Waqf tribunal and जो हमारे
Dr. K. Lakshman, UP MP in Rajya Sabha of the BJP. Going back to the debate. Gaurav Bhatia, will it be passed today, you think? Will it be passed today, you think, because we are going to be going live to it?
Arnab, I can tell you, yes, I will tell you very, very confidently that this bill will be passed in the Rajya Sabha just the way it was passed in the Lok Sabha. And there is a reason. The conviction of Shri Narendra Modi ji to ensure Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Unconstitutional amendment was brought in 2013 just before the elections for appeasement politics. That historical blunder is being corrected by Shri Narendra Modi ji today on the basis of the strength of our democracy and the parliamentary procedure that is being followed. Everyone knows now, never ever dare to challenge Narendra Modi ji. You remember, Arnab? These people said Article 370 cannot be abrogated.
Pura debate.
Narendra Modi ji abrogated Article 370.
Windows.
Triple Talaq made a crime. Narendra Modi ji ensured that. Third, they said CA, don't amend. CA was amended. And now we see how the Waqf bill is being introduced and it will be passed, and what would it do? It will again make the Waqf Act constitutional. 1, 2, the end of appeasement politics. 3, greater inclusion for subsects within the Muslim religion, that is the Bohras, the Aga Khanis. Fourth,
okay, 1 minute.
the women
I asked
from the Muslim community.
Okay, Gaurav, put me in.
And I must recall, Sanjay Singh ने एक बार कहा था, Arnab,
okay, 1 minute.
अगर वक्फ का बिल लाए तो ये सरकार गिर जाएगी.
Okay, 1 minute, we'll all come.
मैं गिरा, ना मेरी उम्मीदों के मीनार गिरे.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, record viewership tonight on Republic. Record viewership is going on Republic because we're the only channel going live in and out. See, viewers, we've dedicated 2 days to this debate. And I want to say one thing, Gaurav, before you move in. Ab dekhiye how 1 minute, Kamru, I want to say one thing. We are the most balanced channel in the country because even we are fully for the Waqf bill. Ye kya dikha rahe? We are full phone line cut down. Please get the phone line back. We are fully supporting the Waqf bill. We are the only network in the country. 100% मैं on air आता हूँ सत्यप्रकाश जी, मैं कहता हूँ मैं इस Waqf amendment bill के for हूँ. मैं ड्रामा नहीं करता हूं कि मैं इधर उधर का नहीं हूं, बैलेंस टू न्यूट्रल. मैं न्यूट्रल नहीं हूं. मैं न्यूट्रल नहीं हूं.
तो अब यानी पत्रकारिता का मतलब ही क्या हो गया? फिर आप बता दीजिए कि बीजेपी की तरफ से आप बैठे.
सच्चाई की तरफ खड़ा होना, सच्चाई की तरफ खड़ा होना पत्रकारिता है.
का धर्म होता है
सच के साथ खड़ा होना.
जो सत्ता पक्ष दोनों की बात को सुनना है, जो सच है वो बोलना है. लेकिन आप पहले बोल दोगे नहीं मैं बीजेपी के साथ खड़ा हूं.
मैं बीजेपी के साथ नहीं हूं, मैं सच्चाई के साथ हूं.
नहीं, सच्चाई क्या है?
मैं बताऊं, आपने सवाल पूछा, बताओ.
सच्चाई बताइए.
सवाल पूछा,
सच्चाई बताइए.
ये मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आजकल सत्यप्रकाश जी. मुझे एक नया शब्द सिखाते हैं ये लोग. ये कहते हैं, गौरव जी ने सुनिए इसके बारे में, एक नया शब्द इसका यूज होता है हफ्ते में 1000 बार. ये लोग कहते हैं ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी, ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी, ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी. तो ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी ने तो ब्रूट माइनॉरिटी करें. अब सवाल ये है इसके ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी. अरे ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी नहीं तो क्या? अभी देखिए 98% ऑफ द एनडीए मेंबर्स प्रेजेंट इन द हाउस, that is 288 out of 294 have voted in favor. That's a strike rate of 98%. है ना? 98% में तो कोई भी कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिल जाती है. आपको ऑक्सफोर्ड कैम्ब्रिज में भी एडमिशन मिल जाएगी. दूसरी बात, 56% of the present members in parliament present and voting, that is 230 2 members, right? Have 232 out of 234 members of opposition have voted against. Still, 56% of the people in the House have voted for. अब दिस इज हाउ पार्लियामेंट रन्स. देश ऐसे चलेगा ना, जिसके पास नंबर है वही चलाएगा. आपके पास आपके ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी, अरे जीत गए, गवर्नमेंट जीत गई, खत्म बात. गवर्नमेंट जीत गई, अब हार गए, राहुल गांधी सो रहा है, खत्म बात.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोटिंग करानी पड़ी, यस और नो में फैसला नहीं हो पाया. ये ताकत है विपक्ष की कि आपको वोटिंग हुई, वोटिंग में पूरा विपक्ष, पूरा इंडिया गठबंधन एक साथ
फिर भी हार गए.
232
फिर भी हार गए.
अलग चीज है,
हार गए कि नहीं,
अलग चीज है. लेकिन लोकतंत्र में विपक्ष अपनी आवाज
हार गए ना.
नहीं, विपक्ष ने अपनी
आपने आवाज उठाई,
लेकिन सवाल यह है कि टीडीपी और जेडीयू जिस तरह से उन्होंने बोला, टीडीपी ने तो अपना क्लियर किया कि हमने 3 मांगे रखी थी, टीडीपी को लाइए ऑन द राइट. जेडीयू का तो पता ही नहीं चला.
एक मिनट गौरव, एक मिनट रुक जाइए.
नहीं, लास्ट तक 1 घंटे तक पहले कह रहे थे कि अभी बिल पढ़ेंगे, बिल पेश हो रहा है तब भी कह रहे हैं बिल पढ़ेंगे. उन्हें पता ही नहीं, उन्हें करना क्या है.
सत्यप्रकाश मिश्रा, एक मिनट रुक जाइए. सत्यप्रकाश मिश्रा,
बहुत गलत बात है. जनता दल यूनाइटेड ने
इधर देख के बोलिए, इधर देख के बोलिए, आप इधर देखिए.
शुरुआती दौर से कह दिया था,
एक मिनट, लेट हिम स्पीक.
काम डाउन कि हम सरकार के साथ खड़े हैं. सदन में जब वो आई,
एक मिनट आफ्टर इट आप रुक जाइए 2 मिनट, आप रुक जाइए. You wait and then after it. 1 minute. You wait. Only 2 people on it.
मीडिया ने कुछ भी दिया है, गलत रिपोर्ट आई, उसको आप पकड़ रहे हैं.
लीडर है
संजय झा जी ने संसद के प्रांगण में कहा, बिल पेश होने के पहले, संजय झा जी ने संसद के प्रांगण में बिल पेश होने से पहले कहा कि 2013 में भी संशोधन हुआ था और इस संशोधन में जेपीसी में सारी बातें बता दी गई है और हमारी बातें सुनी गई है, हमारी बातों को प्रस्तावित किया गया है, उसमें स्वीकार किया गया है. संजय झा जी ने एक दिन
जेडीयू समाजवादी पार्टी. The point is this, only me and maybe सत्यप्रकाश जी, अनुराग भटौरिया. रुक जाइए. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now the question is this. अनुराग जी, सत्यप्रकाश जी रुक जाइए. Now the question is this. अब अनुराग जी प्लीज, ये आपके जो लंग्स है ना, इनको थोड़ी सी आप रेहत दीजिए. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं फेफड़ों की कसरत थोड़ा कम कीजिए, शांति से. Now question is this, ladies and gentlemen. They are angry. They are saying, why did JDU vote with BJP? Arey, but JDU voted with BJP. Then second, they are now catching. Pattabhi Ram Komareddy, can I have you on air, please? You are live from Hyderabad. You are the national spokesperson of TDP. Samajwadi Party is accusing you of betrayal, saying, why has Chandrababu Naidu told his people to vote with BJP? Would you like to respond to them, please?
Yeah, Arnab,
please.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What, I don't understand what
louder
betrayal is. You know, TDP is the party. TDP is the party which had actually demanded for a joint parliamentary committee.
True.
When the Waqf amendment bill was moved, and it was the joint parliament committee which sat for 38 sittings, which heard, you know, for more than 125 hours, which brought about 25 amendments, and 3 of the amendments which were proposed by the TDP were accepted.
True.
So
let him speak.
We were the ones who actually
don't keep saying true.
fought on behalf of the Muslim minorities. And there is one other fact I would like to bring forward, Arnab. You are talking about the pseudo-secular, you know, drama artists. You have shown how Rahul Gandhi is sleeping. Now I would like to place one fact regarding Gaurav Gogoi, their deputy leader, who was speaking so strongly in the parliament. I'll give you one interesting fact, Arnab. The Joint Parliament Committee sat for 38 times, in which Gaurav Gogoi is a member from the Congress. And you know how many meetings did Gaurav Gogoi attend? He had attended only 17. He was absent for 21 meetings. Gaurav Gogoi was absent for 21 meetings out of the 38 Joint Parliament Committee meetings. Where was he roaming? Was he roaming in some pajamas in some beach, just like his leader? A person
pajamas. References to Rahul Gandhi's pajamas.
55% of the joint parliament meetings. What moral right does he have to speak in parliament? This shows how serious. This shows how serious they are towards the Muslim minorities and towards the Waqf Act. I'm asking a straight question. Why is Mr. Gaurav Gogoi absent for 21 JPC meetings out of the 38 that were held? Does this not show? Does this
now
not
what point
prove
is,
that the
don't bring me
Congress
on air.
is so
I want the
non-serious?
pajama picture on air. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not focusing on it. Fact is, there are serious people and non-serious people. This person is a non-serious person. He wears the t-shirt and pajamas and bathroom slippers and comes into parliament. I think this is an insult to parliament. I think he takes things very lightly. And if you're coming in bathroom slippers, bathroom चप्पल और पजामा पहन के पार्लियामेंट में आना नहीं चाहिए. उसके ऊपर एक टी-शर्ट लगा के ये कोई
dress code now are we living in times when we are going to
देखो नाइट क्लब है. Is it a night club? Is the Parliament of India? Is the Parliament of India is a night club?
You know, come on. Now,
Rahul Gandhi thinks it's a nightclub.
Gaurav
Gaurav is responding. Gaurav, no, it's an important point. No, that visual has to be debated. First you आप सो जाते हैं पार्लियामेंट में. First you sleep in parliament and then you wear pajamas. Gaurav Bhatia and Piyush. Only Gaurav and Piyush on that debate. Gaurav and Piyush are versus on that please. Gaurav Bhatia. बाकी स्टूडियो के वॉल्यूम को कम कीजिए. Gaurav.
Everyone would hear me out.
So you can
Yes,
reply in your own
everyone would hear me out, and I'm sure all the citizens, all the viewers listening to me will agree with
अरे
me.
भाई साहब अपने
Parliament is a temple of our democracy.
भाई साहब अपने टाइम में बोलिए.
Can I speak? I think Arnab asked my.
Piyush, let him speak.
नहीं, अर्नब ने मेरा नाम लिया. अगर आप गौरव भाटिया तो आप बोल लीजिए. अगर आप गौरव भाटिया तो आप बोल लीजिए, वरना आप चुप हो जाइए. So Arnab, look at the contrast. You know, it shows the commitment that a member of parliament has towards the people of the country and the parliament. HD Devegowda ji, he's 91 years. I heard him today. I was hearing all the speeches. He got up and he said that yesterday he stayed in the parliament till 1 a.m. in the morning because he thinks it is his duty. 91 years, he stayed in the parliament till 1 a.m.
And he didn't
On
go
the
to
other
sleep like
side,
Rahul Gandhi.
54-year adolescent, part-time, non-serious politician who visits the parliament as if he is coming for a picnic in slippers.
Yeah.
And in his pajamas. Now, Arnab, you are wearing a suit.
I'm wearing a suit.
The court,
that we can come back.
when I go to the court as a senior advocate, I have a uniform. I
So
can't
what are
go
we
there in
discussing?
slippers.
That how Rahul
And
Gandhi
Rahul
should dress?
Gandhi, he thinks he's above the law
What
of the
should he
country.
wear?
Okay,
Is this the
Kharge
proper
is speaking in parliament right now. I'm cutting to Mallikarjun Kharge. For 1 minute, Mallikarjun Kharge in parliament, Congress president.
और ये इसके आधार पर अगर मैं कहूं और रखूं आपके पास, आपको भी ताजुब होगा. सर, एक 18,274 रुपए 74 करोड़ रुपए इन्होंने अलोकेशन किया 5 साल, जिसमें 3,574 करोड़ खर्च नहीं हुए. ये इनका गरीबों के वास्ते जो उनका जो सोच है इससे मालूम होता है. और उसमें और भी बजट कम करते 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 गए. 1920 में 4,700 और
2020 में
2019 हाँ 2019-20 तो उसमें इन्होंने 4,700
Anyway, now viewers, this is as usual, Mallikarjun Kharge not very interesting. दिल से नहीं कागज से पढ़ रहे हैं. और जैसे मैं फिर रिपीट करता हूं जो मैंने कहा कि मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे दिल से नहीं कागज से पढ़ रहे हैं. तो पहले जब कहते थे कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे तब बड़े दिल से सपोर्ट करते थे. तब बड़े दिल से सपोर्ट करते थे. गौरव भाटिया कुछ कह रहे. गौरव भाटिया उसके बाद गौरव भाटिया. But at least Mallikarjun Kharge has not gone to sleep.
देखिए अर्नब, you very rightly said, ये दिल से पढ़ा नहीं जाता, दिल से बोला जाता है. ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे पढ़ रहे हैं. राहुल गांधी and प्रियंका वाड्रा गांधी are members of the Lok Sabha, but they could not speak on the subject. Sonia Gandhi, member of the Rajya Sabha. 3 members of one family have shown that they are worth nothing. They can't even debate an issue seriously on merits of the case. And Gaurav Gogoi made such a big blunder yesterday. When Gaurav Gogoi said this, Arnab, do you know? आप क्यों बीच में बंदर की तरह कूद जाते हैं? Is there a problem with you?
यार तमीज से बात कर रहे हैं. तमीज से बात करना
When I'm speaking, you jump in between. I don't know why.
सीख जाओ.
नहीं तमीज से क्या बात करना, जब आपको तमीज नहीं आती तो हम क्यों तमीज दिखाएंगे?
ये क्या तरीका है?
नहीं आप
बंदर एंड ऑल, नो डोंट से बंदर एंड ऑल, ये बंदर एंड ऑल डोंट से.
When have I made any personal remarks against you?
Okay, don't make it personal, Gaurav, that's okay.
Why is he heckling and interrupting?
बाकी ठीक है, but don't say बंदर and all, it's not required, please. Thank you, Gaurav. I take that. I take his objection. I have taken Piyush's objection. Piyush के objection को मैंने accept किया है कि वो नहीं मैम आप क्यों बोल रहे हैं, मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर दिया ना. पीयूष
एक्सेप्ट नहीं, ऐसे लोगों को रोकिए टोकिए.
आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है गौरव भाटिया, मैंने कह दिया ना.
संस्कृति संस्कार नहीं है, हम डिबेट करने आए हैं, एक दूसरे को अब्यूज करने नहीं आए हैं. और नहीं हिंदुस्तान में संस्कार है और मुझे लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ऐसे प्रवक्ताओं पर रोक लगानी चाहिए जो इस तरह की बातें करते हैं. अभी दूसरा
गौरव भाटिया 2 मिनट चुप रहिए, 2 मिनट गौरव भाटिया. नहीं गौरव भाटिया दो ऑडियो नहीं आते हैं. गौरव भाटिया
ये सब क्या होता है, ये पार्लियामेंटरी भाषा है.
अंडरस्टूड इट. टॉपिक मुद्दे पे आइए, मुद्दे ऑन द मुद्दा, बी ऑन द मुद्दा, मुद्दे पे आइए, मुद्दा बी ऑन द मुद्दे पे आइए, मुद्दे पे आइए.
नहीं चलेगा.
The beauty of the bill is, Arnab, when it was passed in the Lok Sabha yesterday, we saw members of all community coming out in support of the bill.
सत्यप्रकाश मिश्रा को डालिए ना, सत्यप्रकाश मिश्रा को डालिए.
नहीं अर्नब कह रहा है
पजामा डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है, पार्लियामेंट है,
गौरव को डाल दीजिए.
नहीं है. ये नॉन सीरियस एटीट्यूड ऑफ राहुल गांधी इज नॉट सर्विंग द नेशन. ही इज बीइंग एक्सपोज्ड बाय हिज ओन एक्टिविटी दैट ही स्लिप्ड. मिस्टर राहुल गांधी स्लिप्ड इन पार्लियामेंट, विद इन द पार्लियामेंट बाथरूम.
ओके व्हाटएवर,
बाथरूम स्लीपर.
आई एम गोइंग, ये गलत है.
Opposition forces we are having today in the parliament, they don't have any respect for parliamentary democracy.
I request
Democracy as a pajama democracy, as a pajama parliament. You are not entitled and allowed. A member of parliament can't visit parliament in pajama, and bathroom slipper, and sleeps inside the parliament. Now I'm coming to a point why Rahul Gandhi is so silent on the issue of Waqf bill, because na idhar ke rahe na udhar के रहे, न खुदा ही मिला, न मिसाले सनम, न इधर के रहे न वो उधर के रहे, तो एक्सपोज हो गए हैं, इसलिए राहुल गांधी सो रहे हैं.
अच्छा, आई वांट टू ब्रिंग इन पीयूष लाउडर प्लीज, यू आर म्यूटेड. पीयूष को मौका दिया जाए. ही शुड. पीयूष कैन यू अनम्यूट करें?
First I have unmuted already. Yes. You know, all I'm saying, I was having a little bit of problem with my audio line.
It's
that's
all right.
why I got dispatched.
I understand.
So that's fine. You know, all I'm saying here that it is typical BJP's modus operandi. When you don't have facts, you don't have substances, you resort to personal remarks. So that's fine. We have learned to accept it from the BJP spokesperson as one of their jumlas. Now coming back to the point about Waqf Board bill, you know, the time at which it was passed was precisely the same time the reciprocal tariff was passed. You know, Bharatiya Janata Party, how far they have taken the CA, how far they have taken the NRC, how many illegal immigrants have they deported because of those bills. You know, what those bills ended up doing was to polarize the country. This is typical BJP's modus operandi. When you hide your failures, when you want to increase the taxes on the people, when you want to increase banking transactional taxes, minimum balance charges, you resort to these tactics. You divide the country, you polarize the country, you create a state of insanity in that particular in the inside
You're
hearts of the people.
Can I say one thing to you? Can I say one thing to you? 1 minute, Gaurav, before you respond, can I have a say? मैं कुछ कहूँ? Hello? Can I speak for 30 seconds? Thank you. Please, thank you. Piyush. My God, Piyush, जब से आम आदमी पार्टी का नया स्कार्फ लग गया आपका तो nobody can stop you. गौरव भाटिया भी हार गए आज. गौरव भाटिया ने हार गए because he's become आप spokesman now. Now listen to me. Okay, now listen to me.
वो personal remarks में expert है.
Acha, anyway, I want to make a point on a serious point. See, fact is opposition does not have the numbers. People, you are calling me and you're saying, Arnab, will they be able to pass the bill? I am telling you, consider it passed. History is going to be made today. Am I overconfident? No. Opposition as it stands has 98 votes in the Rajya Sabha prospectively. This makes them fall short of the majority mark by a long stretch of 21 votes. If all the opposition MPs vote against the bill, even then the tally in percentage will be 41.5, which is below 50% needed. In other words, BJP-led government is passing the Waqf Amendment Bill tonight.
So it is going to be like many unconstitutional bills that the Bharatiya Janata Party.
What do you mean unconstitutional? Who decides?
It is in violation.
How
of
are you
Article
saying? That is
26,
your subjective interpretation, sir.
It is in violation of Article 26.
That is your view. You can say what you want, makes no difference.
I'm not
Gaurav Bhatia is
going to-
responding. Gaurav Bhatia is responding right now. Let's have a debate on the constitutionality of the bill. Gaurav Bhatia, everyone quiet, please. One after Piyush is responding to you now. जो भी आप लोगों के बीच में पर्सनल फाइट हुआ है भूल जाइए. He is responding legally.
नहीं कोई पर्सनल फाइट नहीं है.
है फाइट है.
To the fact
पर्सनल फाइट है.
Other spokespersons come. नहीं कोई फाइट नहीं है. We have an ideology. We are putting forward our point of view on the ideology we adhere to. The only problem is they heckle continuously. They pass remarks which are unpalatable. And now I'm coming to merits. One, when they say it is against the Constitution, the Supreme Court and the High Court decide whether a bill is unconstitutional or constitutional. They don't decide. Two, Article 25 and 26 that they rely on starts with the word. It is subject to public order, health. So please remember, it is not an absolute right under Article 25 and 26. Third, they say why non-Muslims have been included in the board. अर्नब मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, जब 2013 का अमेंडमेंट आया और इन्होंने कहा नॉन-मुस्लिम्स को लैंड अपना डोनेट करने की इजाजत है, तो उनका लैंड ले सकते हो आप, लेकिन नॉन मुस्लिम्स को बोर्ड पे नहीं ला सकते हो. दूसरी बात, 2013 amendment was brought by the Congress. I want to ask, as a non-Muslim, how much of their land has Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Arvind Kejriwal and Mamta Banerjee donated to Waqf? Why should we not ask? You want the Hindus to donate their land, but you do not want the Christians, the Sikhs, the Hindus to also participate in ensuring that our Muslim brothers and sisters are uplifted, which is the main aim of the Narendra Modi government. And last but not the least, I just want to ask.
No, he's making a point. 1 minute. One minute. Lawyer versus lawyer. 1 minute. Gaurav. He's a lawyer from the Trinamool. He's countering. You give a legal argument. Niladri, start again. Start now.
Please include on Article 243 and 246. It is a state subject. The parliament is making a law of the state subject which violates the basic structure of the constitution. Sir, I don't have to repeat Keshavananda for you. You are a very respected citizen, but please tell the whole thing.
Then I have a counter question for you. I have a counter question for you.
243, 246, and list 2, entry 18 and entry 35.
No, I know. I'm asking you a question.
Land is a state subject. The state
can I ask you a question, sir?
Not the
My brother, can I ask you a question?
And you have given cahoots to the judgment.
No. I want to. Can I bulldoze one question? Can I bulldoze one question? I want to bulldoze one question. Niladri, listen no. Let me bulldoze one question. No, anyway, you keep going to this Lutyens channel. वहाँ पे lawnmower use करते हैं, हम bulldozer use करते हैं. Now listen to my one question. You are saying that the government is violating basic structure of the constitution. When the Sonia Manmohan government was there, they removed section 87. Please see the law. They removed section 87 of the act, which ensured that if a property was not registered as Waqf, right, the board has no legal right to claim it in the courts. Effectively, the Waqf got infinite power to claim anyone's land without documents. Then they said it applies to non-Muslims also, which means Hindu land, Muslim land, anybody's land, your house, my house, anything can be taken. 1 minute. So Sonia was so afraid of losing the elections to Narendra Modi, which she did, that she gave the Waqf right to claim land without documents. Land without documents.
Giving two cahoots to this constitution, that is wrong. See, we are all seeing Article 25 and 26. But please see that land is a state subject. It goes against the basic structure of federalism.
Gaurav is responding. Gaurav is looking at the... Gaurav, legal point. Gaurav.
Yes. So my friend raised a question and he says that this is a state subject under the Schedule 7. I ask you, in 1954, in 1995 and in 2013, was it not a state subject there? The Congress brought this
that
law.
is what I'm saying.
So
One
one, you were
doesn't
wrong there.
correct
Two,
another wrong.
ये law
If
सिखा
it
रहे
is
हैं
wrong
correct
then,
this.
it is
Please,
wrong today
please.
also.
No,
What I'm
please,
trying to
please.
say, the
I'm not
bill
done.
has been passed
I'm not
without a
yielding.
proper
Please listen to
debate
me.
at 2 o'clock
You are a
in the
lawyer.
night.
Wait
Just
for my
like you
argument to
having-
get over.
Sir,
I
please,
noted your
let me-
argument.
1 second.
Now
There is a
listen.
group
No,
number.
1 minute.
No, Arnab, this is very
No,
unfair.
you are
This is the problem with
you are
them.
a lawyer. You are both lawyers. I'm
This is the
a
problem.
wannabe lawyer. Let me come in. 1 minute. I'm a wannabe lawyer. Let me come in. I always
No,
wanted.
can I
wanted to be a
complete
lawyer.
my
Let me
point?
tell you,
I think
I
my
wanted to be a
friend
lawyer.
needs
If
to
I had been a
explain
lawyer, I
that
would have
30
destroyed.
I heard
I would have destroyed Niladri in the court because I would have asked him that the Waqf Amendment Bill reserved
Okay.
the 1995
So
Act's finality on the
Niladri
Waqf
is
Tribunal's
my second
decisions,
point.
and its orders can be appealed in a high court within 90 days. The Waqf Act of 1995, which was brought in by the Congress government, made the Waqf Tribunal decisions final with no provision for appeal at higher courts. Basically, these are kangaroo courts, which were given the status above the actual courts of the country. You demean the Supreme Court. Niladri, you are all wrong. You, Piyush,
You have accepted the law. You have worked on that law.
Piyush, are you quiet now?
It doesn't suit me.
Kamru, you are quiet now.
It may be a kangaroo court. It may be.
What all you people
I
did?
want to
be a part of the shouting match. You know, if you want
Shouting
an
match?
informed debate, if you want an informed debate, please invite us. Otherwise, please do not invite us, Arnab. Coming to the crux
This
of
is
the
the most
problem.
informed debate right now.
No, wait. I have got a very bad Zoom link out here. Just permit 2 minutes. You know, I first want to congratulate you, Arnab Goswami, Gaurav Bhatia, and the others who have supported this Waqf bill.
Thank you.
For making India into a Hindu Pakistan, into those dungeons that we have taken one more step.
I object to your
becoming
words.
a Hindu
I
Pakistan.
object to the
Let me
words
finish
Hindu
first.
Pakistan.
Let me finish.
I object to your words Hindu Pakistan. You are anti-Hindu. You are anti-Hindu. I never speak about your religion. You don't speak about mine. Do not use words. No, I object. You apologize right now. I never. No, Kamru, you please do not. Kamru,
I am a Muslim for the last 5 years to make a Waqf.
I am saying to you, Kamru, how dare you abuse my religion? Satyaprakash ji is objective. We must object. How dare you say Hindu Pakistan? That's the problem with the Congress party.
Democracy of the world. Everyone has the right to say inside Parliament, on the street, and even everywhere.
Yeah.
This is India. This is Bharat.
Not Hindu
compare
Pakistan.
it with Pakistan. And
Don't you dare make a comparison.
Second point. You have raised a point that if somebody is following 5-year Islam, then they can, deposit and donate the property. I remind you of the Supreme Court verdict in the Lily Thomas case. Even the marriage, if someone converts with the purpose of marriage, that's what's void by the Supreme Court of India. What happened in, repealation of 370? You people is spreading rumors. Oh, it is a violation of Constitution. When the Constitutional Bench finally gave its verdict
Rahul Gandhi has come to the Parliament wearing pajamas. Code of the Parliament.
Kamru, apologize.
When the Supreme Court
Kamru must apologize. Viewers should Kamru. No, he must apologize for using the word Hindu Pakistan. Kamru, apologize.
No, this is not fair. You level Hindu
What is the dress code of the Parliament?
He deliberately made the statement.
This is absurd.
Tell us what is the dress code of the Parliament.
Apologize in front of the
You have
nation.
abused Rahul Gandhi for wearing a slipper.
Just apologize.
You mean that Narendra Modi,
Kamru.
the divider in chief, wants to come to the Parliament only with a 10 lakh suit and bringing in a Waqf Act, which is
Gaurav has to respond to that. Gaurav.
putting us dungeons of the Hindu Pakistan out here in India.
Again he said it. He's deliberate. No. Again he said. Gaurav is responding. This time Gaurav is responding. He's made a predetermined statement in his mind.
What is the
Kamruddin. Now, can I speak to Kamruddin? Kamruddin, will you listen to me?
People like
As an
Gaurav
Indian,
Bhatia
I
failed to
respect
explain
you
in your parents
with all the
what was
differences. I
intent of
hope.
this bill.
Can I
Now you come
complete
and
my
abuse
point?
Rahul Gandhi.
No, he said
Kamruddin
Hindu
Din.
Pakistan twice. Gaurav.
So, as an Indian, I respect you. And I think you respect us even with the differences. First, you coined the term Hindu terror. Then you said Hindu Taliban. Now, today you are saying Hindu Pakistan. And I want to make it clear. Kaan khol ke sunna. ना हिंदू कभी पाकिस्तान बनना चाहता है और ना पाकिस्तान की ये औकात है कि वो हिंदू बन सके. Hindus are the most tolerant community in the world, and dare you disrespect our religion or disrespect us by comparing us to a rogue nation like Pakistan. Rahul Gandhi resembles Pakistan more. If you want, you can say Rahul Pakistani.
कानून लाओ.
मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, सुन लीजिए.
Whatever you wish you can do.
कानून
one thing. आज नहीं तो कल तुम ये गद्दी से छोड़ोगे, उस दिन तुमको एक एक हिसाब का बदला लिया जाएगा. आज तक ट्रिपल तलाक का एक भी केस तुम बता नहीं पाए हो. ट्रिपल तलाक का कानून में आज तक एक भी केस ऐसा नहीं बताए हो तुम जिसमें कि मुसलमानों का आपने हित में काम किया. अच्छा ये बताओ, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र में आपका वक्फ का बोर्ड है, आपका सरकार है. हाउ मेनी वुमेन हैव यू पुट अप इन दिस बोर्ड? आप पार्लियामेंट में आकर तुम्हारा
गौरव भाटिया
ran away out of fear. Can you explain it?
Arguments are you making?
He will not. Arnab, do you see? They don't want to discuss the bill on merits. I am asking you a simple question. You have a problem with Aga Khan?
मेरा सवाल ये है, मेरा सवाल है आपसे, अनुराग भदौरिया. I want to bring in Mr. Komar Reddy right now.
अर्नब, आप सवाल पूछते हो तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है बीजेपी का प्रवक्ता मुझसे सवाल पूछ रहा है. आपने बोला मैं वक्फ बोर्ड के साथ खड़ा हूं, मैं उसके सपोर्ट में खड़ा हूं, मैं बीजेपी के तरफ से हूं. तो यार आप बीजेपी के तरफ से तो आप सवाल पूछो, तो फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बीजेपी
आपने कुछ कहा, मैं जवाब दूं. मैं एक मिनट मैं जवाब नहीं. मिस्टर कोमर रेड्डी 1 मिनट. मिस्टर कोमर रेड्डी 1 मिनट प्लीज. 1 मिनट. देखिए ऐसा है कि मैं क्या कहता हूं, मैं हमेशा कहता हूं नेशन फर्स्ट.
बिल्कुल नेशन फर्स्ट.
1 मिनट. राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि. दैट्स व्हाट आई से. दैट्स 1 मिनट. और मैं 1 मिनट. कौन बोल रहे हैं? संजय झा जी बोल रहे हैं. 1 मिनट. वी मस्ट कट टू संजय झा ऑफ जेडीयू क्योंकि आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है. वी आर गोइंग लाइव टू पार्लियामेंट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. प्लीज स्टे ट्यून. 1 मिनट.
पहली बार इसमें जगह मिला है कि उनके भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इसमें रहेंगे. उसी तरह से जो महिलाओं को लेकर के आया है कि महिलाओं का भी स्थान इसमें रहेगा. तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही प्रोग्रेसिव, और खास करके मैं तो जिस एरिया से आता हूं, मुझे आज ही किसी ने फोन किया कि इतना सारा केस एज ए पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हम लोग के पास आता है क्योंकि वक्फ से रिलेटेड जो डिस्प्यूट होता है आपस में, और खास करके जिस एरिया से मैं आता हूं वहां पर मैक्सिमम डिस्प्यूट होता है जो आपस में प्रॉपर्टी आया उसको लोग बेच खाते हैं, दुकान का 90% किराया खा जाते हैं, और जो एक्चुअल पर्पस है उसका चैरिटी का वो जमीन तक नहीं पहुंचता है. मुझे लगता है कि निश्चित रूप से कि इसके बिल के आने से, इसमें जो सुधार हुआ है, इस बिल के आने से निश्चित रूप से जो जिस पर्पस के लिए लोग चैरिटी दान वक्फ करते हैं वो सही लोगों को, खास करके पसमानदा पे आप लोग सब बात कर रहे हैं. इतनी खुशी है पसमानदा समाज में, जितना फोन हम लोगों को आ रहा है, उन लोगों को लग रहा है कि अब एक्चुअल में प्रधानमंत्री जी जो बोलते हैं उनको इस वक्फ के थ्रू उनका जो समाज है, हम नहीं देखते हैं अभी तक. हम लोग तो देखते हैं बिहार में, अभी तक बिहार में कोई भी ऐसा हॉस्पिटल, ऐसा कोई स्कूल, ऐसा कोई चैरिटी का काम वक्फ के पैसे से किया गया हो. तो पहली बार वहां पर उन लोगों को लग रहा है कि एक बार जब ये कानून लागू हो जाएगा, ट्रू सेंस में उनका जो गरीब मुसलमान है उनके बीच में काम होगा. और ये एक मैसेज, एक नैरेटिव, एक मैसेज गया है. जो भ्रांतियां थी वो भी खत्म हुआ है. मैं एक बात जरूर, क्योंकि मैं अपने पार्टी के तरफ से एक बात कहना चाहता हूं कि जब हम लोग की सरकार बनी वहां पर कांग्रेस के लोग भी बैठे हुए हैं. बिहार का सबसे बड़ा दंगा भागलपुर दंगा हुआ था. सबसे बड़ा दंगा हुआ था. हजारों लोग मारे गए थे. पता नहीं नए लोगों को शायद ध्यान नहीं हो. और 15 साल सरकार रहा आरजेडी और कांग्रेस का. दंगा में न्याय लोगों को नहीं मिला. 15 साल जांच नहीं हुआ दंगा का. 15 साल में कोई जांच नहीं हुआ. जो दंगा कराया उनको सम्मानित किया जाता था. और जब हमारी सरकार आई 2006 में कमीशन बैठा करके जो दंगा करने वाले लोग थे उनको पनिशमेंट दिया किया गया, और उनको मुस्लिम समाज के लोगों को
who is very strongly supporting the Waqf reform. Mr. Komar Reddy, you are here on the debate. Are you worried about the impact politically? Because everybody said Chandrababu Naidu will lose Muslim vote. So I need you to explain that.
Arnab, to be very frank and honest, today Muslims are extremely happy because I'll give you two, three
Anurag,
facts.
with him.
What did the 2013 amendment do? Before the 2013 amendment, the Waqf land between 1913 and 2013 was around 18 lakh acres.
Correct.
After the amendment, it had gone up to 39 lakh acres.
Which may encroach.
21 lakh acres in the past 10 years. Where did it come from?
आपने 3
Hey,
amendments
let him come.
Please wait. Don't interrupt.
Let him come.
You should have the patience to listen to the facts. And on the other
After
hand,
he finishes,
look at the revenue or not. Look at the revenue. In 2014-15, it was 146 crore. In 24-25, it comes down to 10 crore. On one hand, the land bank increases to 39 lakh acres and the revenue comes down to 10 acres. Is this not looting? Is this not looting poor Muslims' money? We are now trying to safeguard it. Because all the Waqf lands are being looted, the revenue is going down and the Muslims are feeling betrayed. Now,
Are you
today
saying,
they
Mr.
happy
Komareddy?
Because from
Are you saying, Mr. Komareddy?
Mr.
Komareddy,
2006
Mr. Komareddy, I'm asking you, are you saying Congress and Samajwadi Party want to loot poor Muslims, that they have been looting?
Absolutely.
Are you saying they are looting?
They have been doing that or not? They have been doing that from the past. The Congress had looted.
Amit Shah is on. Amit Shah is speaking. Let's cut live now.
ये बोले हैं या नहीं बोले हैं?
मनोज जी,
ये बोले हैं या नहीं बोले, इतना बताइए आप। के रूल है, साइटेशन ऐसे नहीं होता है। साइटेशन कैसे होता है सिर्फ आपको मालूम नहीं है? नहीं सर, आपको भी मालूम होगा। साइटेशन चेरी पिकिंग मत करिए। देखिए ऐसा है मनोज जी, सभानता के साथ बोलना पड़ता है। पूरे भाषण में से एक पैराग्राफ जो मैंने पढ़ा वो बोले हैं या नहीं बोले हैं, इतना ही सवाल है। तो लालू जी तो कोई बच्चे नहीं थे उस वक्त।
माननीय सदस्य संजय जी,
सॉरी, एक मिनट। माननीय लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन, माननीय
मनोज जी बैठिए।
Honorable member Manoj Jha has a fantastic vocal cords. I can't compete with him on that. With due respects, Chair, I would like to say, Honorable Leader of the Opposition in the morning clearly said, all of us will have to have the patience to hear one another. And from the morning, most of us were talking to each other. We said, the debate which is happening on the Waqf board in Rajya Sabha is so good. It's setting a beautiful precedent, content-wise, discussion-wise, and the way in which we are exchanging thought-wise, and so on. And I recall that statement which the leader of the opposition said, let's hear people, and after that we'll protest. All that I request Honorable Manoj Jha is to please listen to Sanjay Jha, na? And after that you come up with every objection, but with your vocal cord power which God has given you, you're drowning all of us.
माननीय सदस्य संजय मनोज जी बैठिए। आप बैठिए। संजय जी बोलिए। नहीं बस आप बैठिए। संजय जी
सभापति महोदय, उपसभापति महोदय,
सदस्य संजय जी,
ट्रिब्यूनल द्वारा दिए गए फैसले पर उच्च न्यायालय में 90 दिनों के भीतर अपील दायर करने का प्रोविजन है। आज भी 14 लॉ ट्रिब्यूनल है। आज भी माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, देश में करीब 14 लॉ ट्रिब्यूनल है। आप दिखा दीजिए कि कोई भी ट्रिब्यूनल जिसके डिसीजन को हाई कोर्ट या सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अपील नहीं किया जा सकता है। ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है विपक्ष के लोग लोकतांत्रिक प्रोविजन जो था उसको बचाने के लिए क्यों परेशान है। मैं खास करके अपने पार्टी जनता दल यूनाइटेड और हम लोग के नेता नीतीश कुमार जी, 19 साल का उनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है। बिहार में मैं इस अगस्त हाउस में बताना चाहता हूं, 19 साल में एक दिन कर्फ्यू बिहार में नहीं लगा है। ये ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है बिहार का। नॉट इवन वन डे बिहार में कर्फ्यू नहीं लगा है। ये ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है वहां पर काम करने का। तो मैं अपने पार्टी के तरफ से और अपने नेता के तरफ से इस बिल के समर्थन में हम लोग हैं यहाँ पर। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
मैसेज फ्रॉम लोकसभा, 2 मिनट। मैसेज फ्रॉम लोकसभा सेक्रेटरी जनरल।
Ma'am, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on 3rd April 2025 has agreed without any amendment to the Protection of Interests in Aircrafts Object Bill 2025, which was passed by Rajya Sabha at its sitting held on 1st April 2025.
माननीय सदस्य डॉक्टर मेधा कुलकर्णी। मेधा कुलकर्णी।
आप शुरू करिए।
नहीं नहीं नहीं
सर,
कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा। मेधा कुलकर्णी।
नमस्ते।
डॉक्टर मेधा कुलकर्णी।
वक्फ संशोधन विधेयक पर अनुमोदन देने के लिए मैं आज यहाँ खड़ी हूँ। इस विषय पर बात रखने के लिए मुझे मौका दिया, इसलिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ। मेरे लिए आज सौभाग्य की बात है कि मुझे राज्यसभा के
बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है मणिपुर। काहे को देर रात तक एक दिन जगो ना। मणिपुर के लिए एक दिन देर रात तक जगना चाहिए।
मेधा जी बोलिए।
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मेरे लिए आज बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि मैं आज वक्फ जैसे महत्वपूर्ण बिल पर बात करने जब जा रही हूं, तब मेरा राज्यसभा का 1 वर्ष का कार्यकाल।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is live from Parliament, and it's very heated atmosphere tonight. Very heated atmosphere. Mr. Komareddy, you were saying something tonight. It's historic, isn't it? Your thoughts. You were saying something. I interrupted you last time. Please.
Yeah, Arnab, I'm very clear in the fact that the Congress and their pseudo-secular allies, in the name of Waqf, have looted their properties, have stolen their properties, and that's the reason why you look at the revenue of the Waqf board, just 10 crore. 39 lakh acre of land bank giving just 10 crore. Can anyone explain this? Can anyone explain this? The Sachar committee report had said that the Waqf
I can explain. The money was being put in their pockets. The money was put in their pockets. The land was given to industrialists. The land was given to 5-star hotels. The land was given to other people to build properties. The rent from that land was going in their pocket. Let me see what's in your pocket. नहीं, आपके पॉकेट में क्या है?
एक सेकंड,
पॉकेट में गया कि नहीं पैसा? पैसा पॉकेट में गया कि नहीं? पूछता है भारत।
3 पॉइंट आपने अमेंडमेंट के लिए दिए थे, कौन से थे? क्या वो मान लिए गए आपके? 3 पॉइंट जो आपने बोले थे मैंने सरकार को दिए हैं, कौन से थे 3 पॉइंट?
I'll just read those 3 amendments to you. Thanks for giving me that opportunity. The first amendment that we have proposed in the Waqf, the amendment bill is the first amendment. TDP had insisted that all Waqf properties that are currently in use for religious or charitable purposes should be deemed valid, and it is accepted. That is amendment number 1. The amendment number 2, TDP had demanded that the power to be given a designated officer above the rank of the collector appointed by the state. That was also approved. And the amendment that was proposed, the third amendment, TDP had pushed for an extended deadline beyond 6 months for updation of work properties. Even that was approved by the JPC. I come with my homework. Don't test me.
Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Accept defeat.
TDP का
You answer my question.
Losing on numbers, losing on facts. Losing on numbers, losing on facts. हार गए आप। आप डिबेट में हार गए। अब पार्लियामेंट में हारेंगे। आप डिबेट में हार गए, अब पार्लियामेंट में हारने वाले। संसद में हारेंगे।
पढ़ के बताओ मैंने क्या-क्या किया।
पीयूष, ये तो डिबेट में हार गए।
कलेक्टर वाला पॉइंट आपका मान लिया गया है।
देखिए, जब तक
आपने कमिश्नर मांगा है कि आपका पॉइंट मान लिया गया है कि कलेक्टर को पास
पीपल All I am saying that the BJP is very poor in seeing things through. They did not see CAA NRC through. They did not see demonetization through properly. They did not see any bill or any jumla that they put forward through. That is the problem with the Bharatiya Janata Party. They always get involved in diversionary and polarizing tactics to hide their own failures. And that is what they are doing today as well.
I'm cutting to a break with an announcement. Your network, Republic Media Network, is going to go non-stop live. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, if required, we'll go live all night. Ladies and gentlemen, to bring you the news, to bring you the live coverage, my reporters and anchors are outside Parliament. We are here in the newsroom. We are all very excited. You are too. I'll take a small break, and then when we are back, non-stop, you can watch the debate with us. This is historic.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
लाल रंग इसका अपार, तीखा कम है फिर भी स्वाद, बेमिसाल बेमिसाल MDH कश्मीरी, MDH कश्मीरी, MDH